How to buy Axie Infinity crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the Axie Infinity cryptos on Binance in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance, and this is the website as you can see. Then log into your account from here or make account from here. Then go here to markets and click on it and go down, search for Axie, and here is it. As you can see, if you didn't find it, search for it here in the search bar and click on it like this, and here you go. Now you go here and choose the amount of the Axies that you want to buy, for example 40, and then make sure this option it's on buy not sell, and click here. You will find buy now if you are logged into your account. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.